Hello everybody, I want to show you today how to do this pergola based off outdoor kitchen table. In my case, I did it small because all I wanted was the look, you know, and yes, a little bit of shadow when you're cooking outdoor. But that wasn't really my interest to have a big piece. But the reason I'm telling you this is because I could do it, and I still could do a huge pergola based off this table. I would put this, this will be my number one post. Then the second column, I can come all the way to the fence, and I could put number two here. I could put number three maybe back here again by the fence, and post number four I could put it a line here, and I could make a huge pergola based off this little table. Now the reason I'm telling you this is because some of you may think, hey, that's a little piece. Yes, that's the way I want it, but I could do a big one if I wanted to. Now the nice thing about this is that I didn't have to perforate the ground to anchor the pergola. All you have to do is you need 4 pieces of 4x4 square. You can see it, I'm gonna show you those. You can see it here. You see the 4x4? You need 4 pieces of those. You may need 2 or 3 2x4s to do this liner. We have 1 and we have 2 here, and then this is the trick. You don't have to anchor it to the ground, you don't have to perforate the ground, because your pergola is being held by these 2 pieces of wood. I have 2 here. You can see them. You can see the wood there, number 1, and the second piece is hidden behind this decking piece. So I have one frame made of these 2 columns, this top piece of wood, the bottom one here. Again, I have 1 piece of wood down here, and I have a second here, and that's it. That's number 2. Number 3, as you can imagine, number 4 is in the back. So it's as easy as that. The trick is that your top frame, your top piece of the frame has to be right below the top of your table, because that's the way it's gonna get anchored. That's the way it's gonna stay in place in heavy wind. I'm pretty sure it's gonna get protected for hurricanes. We're just started hurricane season, so I'm sure it's gonna be okay. I'll let you guys know in a couple of months. But that's the main trick. You are holding your pergola with the table. Now these couple pieces on top here are important to make it square. I'm gonna tell you now how to make these 45 degree pieces, which is the whole thing about the pergola, is the whole secret of a pergola looking. All you need, let's go to the tools. You see, these are pretty basic tools. These are Ryobi. This is a Ryobi too, a circular saw. We have the level, and we have this beauty here to make the 45 degree angle cuts. So with this, all you have to do is leave a 1-inch space on the edge of your piece, and then mark it with this. That's why this piece is very important. You mark your piece at 45 at a 45 angle. You put your line, and done. That's it. Now the measurements will change depend on your own piece. You can send me a message if you want to know a little bit more details on how to do it. If you have some questions, send me a message. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to make this pergola by your own. Oh, by the way, I almost forget. You also need a ladder. Of course, you need a ladder to go all the way safely to the top. It's very easily done by one person if you use the right technique. So any questions, write it down there, and have a nice day.